In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a toggle menu to your WordPress websites so you can create things like an FAQ or a pricing table. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you are going to want to do is, of course, log into your WordPress website where you want to add your toggle menu. And then we are going to install the Elementor page builder plugin. So just scroll down on the left-hand side and go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And from here, you are just going to search for Elementor. And you can simply install this plugin. Once you have installed this plugin, you can navigate to the page where you want to add your toggle menu. So I'm just going to go to the home page. And once you are on that page, you can click on Edit with Elementor. You can then scroll to the section where you want to add your toggle menu. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. You can click on this plus button to add an elements section. So we're just going to choose a single section. And then you can add a toggle element to this section. So if you click on the grid, you will see search widget. You can simply type in toggle, and then you will see this toggle element, and you can drag this into the section. And then you can simply go and edit this toggle section to create things like an FAQ or a pricing table. So if you actually click on the toggle, this is where you can go and edit the title. So this could be one of your questions for your FAQs. And then you can go and also edit the description. So this area here, so this could be the answer for one of your FAQs. So I'll just show you, you can go and enter in your information. We could go and put in question, let's say for example, and then in here, you can go and enter in the answer. So you can go and do this for all of your toggle items. You can go and add a new toggle item, and you can have as many toggle items as you want to for your toggle menu. Down the bottom here, you can go and edit the icon. So you'll see we have an icon on the left-hand side of the question here. So you can go and click on icon library, and you will see some recommended icons. So for example, we could go and choose this icon and click on insert. And as you can see, it has now updated that icon. You can also go and choose the active icon. So the active icon is going to be when somebody actually clicks onto one of your toggle menu items, it will become active. So if we go and click on icon library, we could go and change it to this icon and click on insert. And as you can see, that has also been updated now. You can also go and change the style of your toggle menu. So if you go over to style, you can go and change the border width, the border color, and the space between. So if I just go and use the space between as an example, as you can see, it goes and adds some space between the toggle menu items. I'm just going to leave it as the default because I think that looks perfectly fine. If you click into the title, you can go and change the background, the colors, the active color, and the typography. So for example, if we go to change the color, if we go and change it to red like this, for example, as you can see, it updates. I'm just going to change it back to black like this. Then you can go and change the typography. So if you come in here, you will see the font family, and you can go and choose the same font family that you are using across the rest of your website. If you go over to the icon, you can go and change the color of the icon as well. So you can go and change the color when it's closed and also when it is active. And you can also change the spacing of the icons. As you can see, we can add a little bit of spacing between our icon and our question, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to add 5 pixels of spacing like that. Then if you come into content, you can also do the same. So you can change the background color of the content area. You can also change the color of the content itself. You can go and update the typography, so the font family, the weight, and the size of the typography. And you can also go and add a text shadow. And then once you have completed that, you have a perfectly good toggle menu ready on your WordPress website. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress related tutorials. This has been Elliot with Verpex, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.